recording us? I told you it was nasty. Hey, you guys! What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Beauty by Lydia B, here with my girl, Tonee. And we're going to be doing a review on the snack crate, y'all.
Snacks.
Yes. So, if you want to see what's in December's snack crate, I think it was Germany. Stay tuned and keep on watching. I've been waiting to open this. Well, I opened it for Christmas, but somebody didn't want to do a video with me. Somebody meaning the husband, who's right across from me at the moment.
Name no names.
Let me show y'all. Woo! Germany. So the little pamphlet has what's included in the mini, what's included in the original, and then what's included in the premium, and then the drink upgrade. So I didn't go with the mini. I decided to go with the original because I think it was like $26, but I missed out on a promotional code, which would have made it like under 20 bucks. So anyway, 26 bucks it is. And it comes with little stickers because I'm going to use these. And now we're going to just get into the shit, right? So here is the snacks. Snacks! The first one, I'll run through all the snacks first, and then we're going to open these fuckers up. So, how do you pronounce this?
Pommes. I don't know. Ketchup.
Pommes ketchup. I don't know.
I'm pronouncing it like Spanish.
Pommes.
Exactly. So
Next one. Wow.
Ernum Locken.
What she said.
Pop, lock, and drop it.
Oh! The next one is...
Oh, that's Haribo.
Yeah, these are like
It's
sold in
Haribo,
the
but
States.
they don't look...
But
they
these
don't
are
look good.
bala bala or baya baya.
Baya baya. We're talking German with a Spanish accent. Because the two L's
We're short.
in Spanish are pronounced with a Y.
That is correct. But this box is not from Puerto Rico.
No, it's from Germany.
Next, we're going with Marmore Snack. It's a marble cake slice. 4 of them.
Try and pronounce that. Try and pronounce this right.
Kuchenmeister. Oh, marble
What?
cake slices, and it says tranche de gâteau my brain. Next,
Oh, who is he in this?
I don't know.
This is like a gobstopper.
Hammer candy. Cool. I don't know. We're gonna break. I'm gonna break my crown. She's gonna pop a tooth, a cavity, or some shit. This is Hammer Candy, Cool Harlequin Pop, center filled sour
Harlequin.
powder. I don't fucking know.
It's a lollipop that looks like a
It's a
jawbreaker.
It's a cavity in a bag. Okay, so the second half of the box, outside of these bags items, are I've seen this in the States, so this isn't special, but we got Ritter Sport and well, they're both Ritter Sport. I'm not even going to try to pronounce it. This one's, I don't know.
Are they cookies or crackers?
Volmich 35% cocoa. And then Nuss per I don't know. This is what you see in Wawa, the biscuit covered chocolate thing. So that's that. I don't think there's anything special. Get off Snapchat.
Sorry.
So now we have
Hanuta.
Hanuta.
I know that one.
There's
I don't know
hazelnut. Hazelnut. Hazelnuss Schnitte. Schnitz?
Schnitz.
Next is along with the KN. feeling,
Knoppers.
Knoppers. Crispy.
That looks like almost a s'more wafer.
Oh, I can't wait to open these. Next is...
We're not eating all of them of everything, right?
Yeah.
Like
We're going to take a bite of everything.
full. I know, but we're not eating the whole thing of everything.
No.
Oh,
No,
okay.
we have other people in this room to help.
Yay!
This one's called Yes Cacao.
Yes, caca.
There's these little candies, which...
There's a lot in this little box.
No one's going to eat these. but I'm not gonna eat that.
That looks like.
My favorite,
How do you know you had this before?
because I like the name.
Corny. Yes.
Corny Big.
Oh, what? Oh, it has bananas. I love bananas. Corny Big.
I don't do anything flavored banana ever.
Well, you're taking a bite of it.
Kinder. We all know the Kinder brand, right? Kinder.
Bueno.
Okay, here, we're gonna eat them next. Pray for us, y'all. So we're gonna try the Tonee ketchup first. You nervous?
A little bit, because I don't do ketchup like that, but let me see.
Okay. There you go. Grab one.
All right, go ahead, try it.
No, you go.
No, you try.
Grab one.
Let me see. Let me get the smallest one in here.
Oh, just grab one. You ready? 1, 2, 3. It's like a veggie fry, veggie stick.
It's like what is it? What's that?
Funyuns.
Funyuns
Except
with a little hint of ketchup, right?
I
just ate
concur.
another one, so you like it.
I was trying to get all the whole flavors in my mouth.
But you have a lot of flavors to go through.
Yeah.
All right, you want to eat that one?
Next one is the Erd Nub
Lock-in.
Okay, let's. Oh, they're not even in anything. They're just open.
It smells like peanut butter.
Oh, it does. That's just weird.
You weren't gonna wait for me? Cheers, bitch. It just tastes like dried peanut butter with salt.
Oh, that's very weird.
It's like a little bit better than the last one, though.
It's like a veggie straw with peanut butter flavoring instead.
No, they can't all be like veggie straws.
Well, it's got like that dried.
At least we know what you eat. Sorry.
It's got like that dry.
It's too dry.
Oh, real talk. That's like peanut butter with some salt.
Yeah, like dried peanut butter.
I'm okay with it.
You like them?
Mm-hmm.
Seriously?
Mm-hmm.
They're not too bad.
Moving on.
Next
are these
Now these look nasty.
Haribo Bala Bala or
Baya Baya.
Everyone thinks red is better. Hold on.
Oh, no, you can't do the same flavor. Do yellow. Maybe that's a little bit
It smells fake.
better. It does. Let me smell. Yeah, I don't know if
It smells like plastic.
some like flavored plastic. Ready?
No.
Cheers. Is this gum?
Oh no.
No. Nah. It's a little too sweet. It has like a marshmallowy
The Happy World of Haribo, it says on the back.
middle with like a fruit outside. The kids will love it, I'm sure, but no.
Yeah, I'll give it to my kids. It won't go to waste.
Next! Harlequin Pop. Man down. Seriously.
There's like fur on it.
It's
Do
plastic.
you see that? There's like fur. Wait.
That smells like nail polish.
That sounds delicious. Look, there's like fur strings
from the
on it.
glue.
One says it smells like nail polish. The other one says it smells delicious.
Sounds delicious, doesn't it?
It's a lollipop, Lydia. That's not gonna.
Okay, ready?
How are you gonna eat that?
I don't know.
That looks like it has nerds glued onto it. You. That's all
It
you
does look
do
like
it.
nerds.
Do it. Like it. Do it.
You suck it, then I suck it. You suck it, I suck it.
How many licks?
Those
does it
are
take?
nerds.
Don't do that. Dude, that's a jawbreaker.
I can't even do that.
Don't do that. That's
Something-
literally a jawbreaker. I'm telling
Something-
you, it is. obviously like it.
Oh.
Bad.
Next. Oh, it's 2 pound cakes. This would be a shame to go to waste. I need a cup of coffee. Anyway, here's pound cake.
I don't think I want any of that.
You're gonna take a bite of it. It doesn't matter if you want it or not. 1,
That smells
2,
dry.
3.
That just tastes like chocolate pound cake. That's good for the morning.
Mm-hmm.
Not bad.
I like it.
Corny big, corny big, corny big. Choco banane. What it says right there. It says that.
How's it go?
Choco banane.
I call bullshit on that pronunciation. Just
What?
saying.
It says it.
Package that I do not want any parts of because I hate anything flavored.
Oh my god,
banana.
it has a strong banana smell to it.
Oh,
That looks like a granola bar.
it does. Do sideways shot.
Can you see that? Can you
Yeah,
see
they
that?
can see it.
Like that?
No,
You like that?
no,
Yes?
mm-mm, not at all.
It just tastes like a banana granola bar.
Really?
Yeah. You can't even taste the chocolate.
Really? Mm.
Right? It just tastes like a banana granola bar. That's it.
It's
Corny
corny,
big.
y'all.
Next!
Yes! Cacao. Whatever. Let's open it. Nestle in the corner. So it can't be, well, you can't see it. Whatever.
Oh, that looks like too much chocolate for me.
No comment. Is this too big?
Oh, that it is. That's way too much. I need a cup of milk with that.
That is delicious.
Ew. That looks like a chocolate ring ding. That's what it tastes like. No, I don't want it. I don't want it. Uh-uh. Nope. That's too much chocolate. That's a lot of cacao.
Hanuta.
Hanuta.
That sounds kind of odd. But we'll go with it.
Just date. Go on a date.
Excuse us, people in the background.
Voices
In the
our head.
background, I have my sister and I have my husband.
Who's scared to come on and do... Oh, there's two.
Oh, there's two of
from
them.
one.
At least you don't get to waste the whole package. Show them how it comes. Look, not like
Oh,
Nutella.
I don't like hazelnut. How's it?
If you don't like hazelnut, don't bother.
It's a really
Mm-hmm.
a strong flavor.
It's good. I like it. It's like Ferrero Rocher. Rocher. Yeah, if you don't like Ferrero Rochers, don't bother.
This looks like
Next! Nutella business.
but it looks like a s'more, on it. Yeah, that's like
Knoppers.
knockers. You got knockers?
Knoppers.
Yeah. One big cookie.
Interesting. Oh, and it's hard. I like it.
It's not bad.
I like it.
I probably need a glass of milk with that also.
It's time for Kinder, y'all. Kinder Bueno.
So that's one.
Because These are found at Wawa. I'm not reviewing that. This is also found at Wawa, Walmart. So I'm not reviewing that. And I'm definitely not reviewing the candies. So this is the last one, you guys. In the world?
Right back.
There we go. Oh, it's like Twix, except they're individually wrapped.
So there's a left and a right.
Look at that.
More chocolate.
I never thought I'd be so...
You like chocolate more than I do.
I had a little chocolate craving, and now I'm just on overload.
Yeah, me too. At least it's milk chocolate, because I can't really do dark chocolate. Is that caramel?
That's delicious.
It's not bad. It melted fast, unless my hands are really hot, but...
Mm-hmm. Alright, so that is our review of
You like that.
the snack crate.
What country is next?
I don't get to choose. So for December, I picked my subscription late. So I got to pick between 3 boxes, and Germany was the box that I picked. So
What were the choices?
I don't remember. The next box was already chosen. I could go on their site and tell you which box is next, but I will not, because I'm not gonna.
Seriously?
Really? My phone is right there. Like, I can't.
Fine! What that means.
Germany. For the snack crate box that we just had the pleasure of testing out.
I think it was about a 7 out of 10 that were okay. Right?
Yeah, I'll go with 7 out of 10.
Why do you keep eating it?
I'm not sure. So, until next time.
Danke! That means thank you in Germany. In German. I know that.
That is so cute.
Did you not know that?
Mm-mm. Dankeschön. Oh, that is so cute.
See?
All right, you guys. Until next time. Thanks for watching Beauty by Lydia B. And shout out to my special co-host, Tonee. Until next time.
Bye!
Bye-bye.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Next! Or whatever.
I don't know how to play that.
What?
I don't know how to play that.
Rock, paper, scissors? Are you serious?
That's serious. I'm just gonna
1,
throw something
2,
out.
3, shoot. Rock, scissors.
Yeah, I know, but I don't know what I want to, like. I mean, obviously, I know.
Paper covers rock.
Okay.
Scissor cuts paper. Rock smashes scissors.
Yes. Okay.
1, 2, 3, shoot. You pound my scissors.
Jeez, right?